my first show, I did it, I did like bass outlaw.
Yeah. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name's Mechala. I have a CT Sounds Meso 18 running on a Scar SK 2500.
What is it wired? Amp wired to? You don't know?
No, my dad.
Did he build it?
Yes, my dad's is like a company over Bones Back in Auto in Rossville, Georgia. So he does.
Nice. What's up?
What's up, man?
So,
all right,
my
yeah.
dad does all the work.
I love to hear it. Okay. Looks really good. So it's single 18 in the trunk.
Yes.
And it's like a 6-cylinder then,
Yes,
kind of. Okay. Wow.
Thank you.
That's actually really good. Just a single sub and the way they built it in the trunk, kind of, so you couldn't just slide it in. Fit really well.
Yes.
So, have you metered it all just to know the numbers?
I did my first show. I did it. I do like bass outlaw.
Yeah.
So my first show, I did a 140. So
Okay.
I'm number 2 in the trunk.
Yep.
And then I did it again, but I did a clamp.
Okay.
And so I did also did a 140.
Awesome. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Your name again?
Mechala.
Mechala. Awesome. Thank you very much. You have a good day.
You too.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.